students, welcome to your beautiful channel Maths Nation. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe. The channel is promised to cover the full syllabus and also promise to discuss all your queries. Students, you may ask your doubt in my comment box. I promise I will clear your all queries. In my last class, we have discussed about the binomial multiplication of binomial and into binomial, binomial into trinomial, and monomial into trinomial. Today in this class we will discuss about the factorizations. What is factorizations? Factorizations is the expression of the algebraic expressions in the form of product. In the form of product is the factorizations. How can we factorize a monomial? At first know how can we factorize a monomial. Suppose this is 3x square. 3x square can be factorized 3 into x into x. 6xy can be factorized in the form 2 into 3 into x into y. Suppose this is given 21x cube y7. This can be factorized in the form 3 into 7 into x into x into x into y into y into y 7 times into y into y into y into y. Okay. Then by factorizations methods we can find out how can we find out HCF of the given monomials. Find the HCF of the given monomials. How can we find out HCF of the given monomials? Suppose the monomials are given. Suppose the monomials are given 21x to the power 4 y square and 35x cube y and 7x square y square. Then we have to find out the HCF of these given monomials. At first you factorize the monomials. 21x fourth y square can be written in the form 3 into y into x into x into x into x into y into y. Then 35x cube y can be written in the form 7 into 5 into x into x into x into y. Then 7x square y square can be written in the form 7 into x into x into y into y. Then when you have to find out the HCF of the monomials, first find out the common terms. The common terms are 7, 7, 7. Okay. Then here x, x, x. Then also another x, x, x. Okay. Then y, y, y. Then look at here. Is there or constant common terms? Is there any common terms? Here is another y, but here is no here. Here is x, here is x, here no x. So except 7x, x, y, there is no common terms in three monomials. Then what is the HCF of these monomials? HCF is equal to 7 into x into x into y. This is 7x square y. 7x square y is the HCF of these given three monomials. Okay. Then take another example. How can we factorize? Example, how can we factorize 2a to the power 5 plus 12a square? Then how can we factorize this? What is factorization? Factorization is the method in which we express the algebraic expressions in the form of product. Here 2a to the power 5 plus 12a square. What is common? the numerical 2 can you take in common, then a5 a square you can take in common a square. While you are taking common 2a to the power 2a square from 2a to the power 5, then when you divide 2a to the power 5 by 2a square, what is remain here? A to the power cube. While you dividing 12a square by 2a square, what is remain here? 6. Then this is 2a square, the factorize is a cube plus 6. This is the factorization of 2a to the power 5 plus 12a square. Here you have to factorize another example. 20x cube minus 40x square plus 80x. You have to factorize this. Then look at here. What is common terms in the numericals? You can take. In the numerical coefficients, you can take in common 20. 20 is a factor of 20. 20 is a factor of 40. 20 is also a factor of 80. Then you taking common 20. Then here x cube, here x square, here x. You can take common x. While you taking dividing 20x cube by 20x, while you dividing 20x cube by 20x, what is remain here? X square. Then when you divide 40x square by 20x, then what is remain here? 2x. Here minus 2x. When you divide 80x by 20x, 80x upon 20x, x cancel. What is there? Only 4 plus 4. Then you can factorize this as 20x into x square minus 2x plus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Then solve another example. Then solve another examples to clear about the factorization. Here the question is given. Here the another question is given. X plus 2 into y plus x plus 2 into x plus x plus 2 into x. Look at here. What is the common term in these given binomials? X plus 2 is the common term. You taking out x plus 2. While you taking out x plus 2, what is remain here? Y plus what is here? X. Then this is x plus y into x plus 2. This is the factorization of these algebraic expressions. I have told you what is factorization. Factorizations is the process in which we can express the algebraic expressions in the product forms. Here you can express these algebraic expressions as x plus y into x plus 2. Okay. Take another example. Here is the question given 5x square minus 10xy minus 4x plus 8y. Then take here 5x. Look at this. These two terms 5x square minus 10xy. You taking common 5x. What is remain here? X. Then what is here? Minus 2y. Then take here minus 4. Minus 1 minute. This is minus 4. When you taking common minus 4, what is remain here? Here is x minus 2y. Then this is x minus 2y is the common term taking out. Then here is x minus 2y into 5x minus 4. These algebraic expressions can be factorized as x minus 2y into 5x minus 4. These algebraic expressions can be expressed in this form. This is factorizations of these given algebraic expressions. I have already told you factorizations is the method of expressing the algebraic expressions in the form of product form. Here x minus 2y into 5x minus 4. Another example is given. Suppose this is 2ax. We have solved varieties of questions such then can you attempt any questions which will be asked in your exams. If you solve variety of examples, variety of questions, then can you appear the questions which will be asked in your exam. Maths need practice. Students, you also practice your worksheet. Do all the problems, and if there any doubt persist, you may ask me in my comment box. I promise I will clear your doubt. Okay. Then look at these two terms. Here taking x common, here is 2a only, 2a plus b. Here look at these two terms. Here you taking common y, here 2a plus b. Here 2a plus b, 2a plus b r is the common term. Taking 2a plus b out, here x plus y. These algebraic expressions can be expressed in the form of 2a plus b into x plus y. This is factorizations of these algebraic expressions. Okay. Then solve another questions. I have already told you maths need practice. You have to solve variety of questions such that you can attempt any question asked in your exam. If you have solved variety of questions, you can only attempt. Here look at these two first terms. Here a is the common term. You taking common a. Here the remain x plus y. Then these two terms, what is the common term here? Here is minus b. Taking minus b out, here only remain x plus y. X plus y is the common term in this given expression. Then take x plus y out. What is here? A minus b. These algebraic expressions ax plus ay minus bx minus by can be factorized in the form x plus y into a minus b. I have already told you what is factorization. Factorizations is the expression of the algebraic expressions in the form of product. Here another questions given 2x cube plus 5x minus 6x square minus 15. Look at these two. Then you can write it in the form 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 15. Then in these first two terms, you may taking common 2x square. From 2x cube, when you taking common 2x square, only x is remain here and here minus 3. From 6x square, when you taking common 2x square, here only minus 3 is remained. Then in these two terms, you taking common 5, here only x, and here minus 15, you taking common 5. When minus 15 is divided by 5, then only 3 is there. Then in these two terms, x minus 3 is common. Taking common, here x minus 3 into 2x square plus 5. This is the factorization of these given algebraic expressions. Then another example. I have already told you, solve variety of questions, more and more questions, then can you attempt any questions which will be asked in your exam. Hence I say, always I say, maths need practice. You should practice more and more questions. Look at here. What is the common term in these two terms? Look at here. Numerical common 2 and p plus q. When you taking common 2 into p plus q, here from 4 2 is remain here and this term 3a minus p. And in this term, when from 6 you have taken common 2, then what is remain here? 3. And p plus q is already taken, then here remain 2b minus 3a. Then here 2 into p plus q, then open the bracket, 2 into 3a 6a minus 2b, 2 into 3 into 2b 6b 3 into minus 3a minus 9a. Then this is 2 into p plus q. Then 6a minus 9a, this is minus 3a, minus 2b plus 6b, this is plus 4b. This is the factorization of these given algebraic expressions. Okay. Then solve another questions. Here the question is asked. Here the question is, the algebraic expression is axy plus bcxy minus az minus bcz. Then in these first two terms you may taking common xy. Then what is remain here? A plus bc. Then in these two terms you may taking common minus z. What is remain here? A plus bc. Then here a plus bc, here a plus bc. When you taking common a plus bc, this is xy minus z. This is the factorization of the given algebraic expressions. Students, you solve more and more questions, factorize more and more, such that then can only you attempt. When you have solved many varieties of questions, you can only attempt questions which will be asked in the exam. Okay. In my next class we will discuss about the application of percentage. Today this much. Like, share, subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you, students.